You see what you believe, but is it actually real? Every single day, your brain plays little tricks on you without you even realizing it. Here are 10 mind blowing psychological effects that quietly mess with your reality. Number 1. Bader-Meinhof effect. Ever learned a new word or fact and suddenly you see it everywhere? This isn't a coincidence. It's a psychological phenomenon known as Bader-Meinhof effect, also called the frequency illusion. After you learn something new, your brain starts paying more attention to it and you begin noticing it more often, even though it's always been around. For example, you buy a red car and suddenly you see red cars everywhere. It's the brain's way of confirming your focus on something important. It's selective attention, picking out things that align with your recent thoughts or experiences. Number 2. Mandela effect. Remember your favorite childhood show, Looney Tunes? Hate to break it to you, but it was always Looney Tunes, not Looney Tunes. This is an example of the Mandela effect, a glitch in human memory where a large group of people remember an event or fact incorrectly. In fact, it's not just about Looney Tunes. Pikachu's tail. Did you know it never had a black tip? Or the Monopoly man. He never wore a monocle. Millions of people remember things that never happened, which makes us question the nature of memory itself. Number 3. Deja vu. Ever had a moment where you feel like you've already lived it before, even though you know you haven't? That eerie feeling is called deja vu. It happens when your brain's memory system gets a bit mixed up while processing current experiences. The brain sends the signal to memory as though you already had it before. It's a fascinating effect where your brain is processing incoming sensory information so quickly that it slips into a previous memory. So, even though you're in a completely new situation, your brain tricks you into thinking you've done it before. Number 4. The McGurk effect. Did you know that your eyes can trick your ears? This effect occurs when the sound you hear doesn't match the visual cue your eyes are seeing. For example, if someone mouths the word ba, but you hear the word fa, your brain will choose to believe what it's seeing instead of hearing. This illusion shows how tightly our senses are linked and how much sight can influence what we think we hear. It's a perfect example of how our brains prioritize visual information over sound in certain situations. Number 5. The spotlight effect. You probably had an embarrassing moment, right? You spill something or make a small mistake in front of people, and then suddenly you feel like everyone is staring at you. Well, guess what? That's the spotlight effect. It's when you overestimate how much attention others are actually paying to you. In reality, most people are too busy with their own lives, and most people probably didn't notice, or they might have forgotten about your blunder within a few seconds. Your brain amplifies your own self consciousness, making you believe you're the center of attention when in fact you're not. Number 6. The placebo effect. Ever been given a sugar pill or a fake medicine and felt better simply because you believed it worked? That's the placebo effect in action. When you believe something is helping you, whether it's a sugar pill or even a new treatment, your brain releases chemicals that make you feel better. It's all about belief. This happens because the brain believes it's been given something that will help and it responds by healing or soothing your body. It's fascinating how powerful the mind can be in shaping our physical reality. Number 7. Change blindness. Take a look at these two images and spot the difference in 10 seconds. Your time starts now. Were you able to find the difference? If so, comment down below. Sometimes, even when things change right in front of us, we completely miss them. This is called Change blindness, a cognitive phenomenon where your brain fails to notice major changes in a scene or environment, especially when things are moving fast. Number 8. Cognitive dissonance. You know you should eat healthier and exercise regularly, but somehow you don't. That's when your beliefs clash with your actions and it creates an uncomfortable feeling called cognitive dissonance. When your actions don't align with what you believe, our brain goes into problem solving mode to reduce that tension. So, to cope, your brain will distort the facts, maybe convincing you that junk food is fine or that skipping workouts isn't so bad after all. Number 9. Confirmation bias. Ever been in an argument with a friend or a loved one and you go online to search for answers to prove your point? Chances are you didn't just look for random facts. You sought out information that supported your view. This is known as confirmation bias. It's the tendency to search for beliefs and ignore anything that conflicts them. Number 10. False consensus effect. Have you ever assumed everyone shares your opinions or values, especially when you're certain about something? That's the false consensus effect. When we project our personal views onto others, thinking they are more widespread than they actually are. Your brain is amazing, an incredibly powerful tool, but it's not perfect. How many of these facts did you already know? Which one of these facts surprised you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Facts Fusion 65 and hit that bell icon to stay updated for more interesting content.